We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at our 2022 Indian FTR 1200S series motorcycles. First one we have here is White Smoke. So it has the matte paint with the Indian script on the side panels. And the next one we have in maroon. And they have the Indian head logo on their side panels. And this is a gloss paint job. Both bikes come stock with the Akrapovic exhaust. We also have ABS front and rear, dual disc Brembo braking system in the front, so this thing stops on a dime, extremely bright LED headlights, a nice upright seating position with the way the seat and the handlebars are. These bikes have mid controls, tons of torque, and they're just a whole lot of fun. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.